What's going on, guys? Fresco here. Welcome to my channel and thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, turn that gray thumb blue. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe and also hit that notification bell so you never miss another upload. So let's get to the video.
Be a progress when you move your trends. Post the process. Online and doing just fine, but you're stressing all of the time. You're focusing on the shine instead all of the grind. How about showing the shrine? What about the stones from the mine? Plans they had to assign, parts they had to align. Just taking steps out of the line. You're chasing your dreams, you're feeling just fine. Posting the process, time to the time. Been going hard like rhyme to the rhyme. Sometimes showing the best of design. What you had to combine, let loose, don't confine. Show it all the time, not just an incline. Do what it takes so you can refine. Focus on the mission and you're doing just fine. On your mission, don't fail to mention what got your initial attention. And along the way, you can get all of the recognition from yourself, not just the press. Lift yourself, be my guest. There's nothing less, light your quest, and post the process. There's no need to stress, there's no need to guess. When you set your trends, trust your process. There's no need to press, be a progress. When you move your trends, post the process. 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 You gotta post the process. When you get the key, you move with certainty, cause you found a vessel to move your family. And now you see what you needed to see. Pushing a brand from sea to sea, that's coast to coast, from west to east. Building a squad has been a beast. Partnered up with Lou, to say the least. Yeah, we got it in all the streets. Though we close as I speak, the impact we greater is what we seek. Now we gonna make a new scene. Gonna stay around longer than COVID-19, longer than a virus, know what I mean? Cause we building up the family and the regime. The beat is supreme, I'm telling y'all this.
You have to post the process along the way. It's not just highlights. As a coach, I know I don't just want to see highlights. I want to see the whole game tape. So apply that mission to your mission. Enhance your vision. And never forget the process.
Don't do
God
it.
bless.
There's no need to stress. There's no need to guess. When you set your trends, trust your process. There's no need to press. Be a progress. When you move your trends, post the process. 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 You gotta post the process. Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Your real life, your real life, your real life, your real life, the real grind, the real grind, the real shine, the real shine. Subscribe, 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 subscribe.
It's gross what we netting. On yourself, start betting. Build a squad, start vetting. Change your setting, no forgetting. Set your sights, start spreading. To the future, you start heading. Sprint the stride, no stepping. Even when it's tough sledding, keep your flow through the ebbing and trust your direction. Cash in on your debts if you're checking. Now you're trend setting, the real impact you're getting. Then you start to jetting, then there's no telling. I said salute me like a veteran. You can run it back like you're Edgerrin. Whoa, I'm doing this for multicolored brethren. Without Reynolds, this is still a rap. Without Reynolds, this is still a rap. Artist making music to brand, my brand led me to rap. Yeah, it's Reynolds, how this is a rap. Without Reynolds, this is still a rap. Without Reynolds, this is still a rap. Artist making music to brand, my brand led me to rap. Yeah, it's Reynolds, how this is a rap. They showcasing pride through their prejudice. Let's assassinate authorities' arrogance.
Thanks again for watching this video. If you like this video, turn that gray thumb blue and subscribe to this channel. Also, hit that notification bell so you never miss another upload. Leave a comment below and let me know what you think, or if you have any suggestions for future content. But in the meantime and in between time, y'all stay creative out there. I'll see you on the next one. Holla.
Elephants, I could be in the woods, not reserving this. Cause I know my heart of hearts is deserving this.